Hi everybody, welcome to our channel, Rebecca Stu and the crew. I'm Rebecca, and today we are going to be making one of these light up ornaments. Everything you see here comes from the Dollar Tree, but we will need one item that is not from the Dollar Tree. So the supplies that you will need are some of these little LED candles. You're also going to need some of the foam balls or fake snow by the Crafter's Square, and then you'll need some of the large ornaments that come just one per pack, and then you'll also need some berries or flowers to decorate the top and some coordinating ribbon. You're also going to need some hot glue for the candle at the bottom, and then of course you're going to need some scissors to cut down those berries to attach to the top, and you'll need a dry erase marker to draw your hole on the bottom. So then I used one of these wood burning kits from Hobby Lobby. It has a little hot knife on the end there that you can attach. So let's get crafty. So the first thing we're going to do is take our dry erase marker and the top off of that ornament so it will sit flat, and we're going to trace around the candle so we know where to cut our hole in the bottom. Now if you don't have one of these wood burning kits that has the little knife attachment, they sell them at Walmart, Hobby Lobby, and Michael's for about $15 to $20 depending on which one you get. You can just drill a hole through the bottom of this and then cut around the hole here. So I just make an X and then cut each little pie shaped piece out until I have a hole big enough for the candle, and then you want to slide that down in there, and you want to be careful that you don't pop it all the way through. You want to get it as close to the bottom as possible, but don't pop it all the way through, so be careful. So once we have that done, all we're going to do is we are going to take our hot glue gun and we're going to seal this up just to make sure it stays put. And there are a couple little spaces around there because of course it wasn't a perfect cut all the way around. So once that dries, we are going to go ahead and take these foam balls and we're going to just fill the top of there a little bit so that we can get some of this fake snow around the candle. And I was actually impressed with myself that I only spilled a few. What do you guys think? I think it was maybe 10 altogether. Okay, maybe 15. Either way. So then just shake that around there and then make sure you have that all around the candle and replace your topper. So now all we have left to do is to attach the little flower at the top, which we did with some hot glue after we cut the stem down just a little bit. And then we took one of the leaves off of the berries and we're going to pull that little green plastic piece off that holds it to the stem, and just toss that away. So what we're going to do is we're going to cover the bottom of this candle, but be careful not to cover the little knob that turns the candle off and on. So I put a little bit of hot glue on one of the leaves, and then I just attach that up to the side, making sure that I line up that center with the center of the candle, and be careful not to cover the on-off switch for the candle. And then just apply some hot glue to the other two leaves and then pull that up the side to help disguise the bottom of that candle and that little bit of rough edge with the hot glue there on the bottom. And once that's done, I just made a really simple bow using some of this buffalo plaid ribbon I picked up a few months ago at the Dollar Tree. And I just attached that to the top with a little bit of hot glue and then used the same ribbon to make a tie for the ornament. And that's it. It was super easy to make. It took me about 20 minutes altogether, and that was waiting for the iron to heat up. I just love how this turns out. It looks so cute on a tree. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it for you, and I really appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much for doing so. And please subscribe if you like this video, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. And if you really like this video, I'd appreciate it if you could share, leave a comment, and give me a thumbs up. Here are some other videos from our channel you might also enjoy, and I hope you guys all have a very Merry Christmas.